Today we are going to talk about the website structure. Like here, this is my website and I am building now. So today I am going to show you the ideas how I build this site with the keyword research, and then you can see what will be necessary elements to the website. What will be my keyword tree for the arrangement. So for this is the home page and this is the uh, menu. Maybe others say people will say this is a navigation header, right? This will be clickable menu for this one. So you can see if we can do this. This will be the first layer, clickable first layer like this. So this you can see that. Then I would say that this will be the second click. You need to click twice to get here water quality, like something like this. So I actually classify into three parts. And the first one will be the navigation page, like the home page and the inspiration, products, problems here. And the second navigation page will be this, like this here, plant, fish tank, and so this will cost you 2 clicks on the head menu. Okay, yeah. Then we have some blocks. Maybe I will show you some here, and they will be not clickable on the head menu, like some blog posts, some product pages for us. And maybe people, but will be the bottom of the search funnel, or maybe, and some uh, blog posts and some product pages will be there, and it will use the long tail keywords to uh, create content and to rank them by Google, something like this. So this will be the keywords we can see. It is actually showing the keywords structure. Like the homepage will be the root of the keyword tree, and it will be a global setting, and the navigation page including here the second navigation page will be the branch of keyword tree. So it will be a partial setting of a subtopic. So the navigation page will be the leaf of the keyword tree. So you can see this is so-called keyword tree, right? Okay, then let me show you. This should be the fourth. This is the keyword. So you have to understand that the first navigation page is the home page. This is home, okay, and then the inspiration. This is clickable, and then the product. So this will be their keywords. So the homepage keywords will be a freshwater aquarium, and the inspiration will be the freshwater aquarium decorations. So you can see in here when I use the freshwater aquarium for the United States location English, and here we can see the search volume is 4,400 per month, and the SEO difficulty will be 42. Right here, we can see them in the global setting. There will be a freshwater aquarium, and the second layer here, the navigation, then the page, the two click on header menu, like here, two click, maybe, but this will be a, oh, maybe not, this is not a two click. This is not a two click. This is the first navigation. Yes, the first navigation. But as I said, that this one will be a branch of keyword tree. This branch of keyword tree. Yeah, no problem. But there will be a partial setting. So this one is part of freshwater aquarium. So this adding one keyword here, decorations, after the freshwater aquarium. So it is part of the big topic. Okay, this is the topic keyword, and this will be the subtopic, and it is the first subtopic, and then there will be a products. Then I assign the freshwater aquarium supply as their focus keyword. So this will be the third problem. The third issue, when I am going to like build this website, I am thinking about this. What will be the structure? What will be the content arrangement? So there you should have some properties to be shown or to be searched, to be clarified when people are entering your websites. They are going to stay longer on your website. This is what we are expecting from them, and we need some inspirations like here you can see before and before versus after. I want to say when people want to like visit my website, they want to set up a like a freshwater tank. So they want to see some examples of setting the aquarium, and they want to see the effects, see the results, see what people are building the tank, setting up the tank, something like that. So this will be my first part. And then the second part, it will be when people are going to set up their tank, then what can I do for them? So I might lead them to buy some products. There will be my affiliate program that I may take products from Amazon, from other private websites, something like that. So then I embed the links to the product pages, then people can buy from them. And this is my idea. So then the third part will be the problems. This will be a lead generation part. I mean that when people have problems when they set up a tank, and they will meet a problem, something like water quality control, something like that. So you need to help them. Okay, then you need to write blogs, take photos, take videos, and help them to understand how to deal with that issue. This is the second navigation issues, something like this. And there will be about us page or contact us page, and then there will be affiliate disclaimer is also a must. So I might embed them on the footer. So maybe this will be the second navigation page, because you can either on the menu, header menu, so or on the footer, you can check it out. But I think the most important will be the header menu, right? Because when you see this website, you don't go to the bottom part here. So for the clicking and checking thing. And then let's say then the third layer will be the the list for the keyword tree. So there will be a lot of things to talk about, like when you choose some like SEO difficulty, you will choose the easy part to write some articles, to do some blog posts, like here. So why is my freshwater cloudy, like this one? So this will be a third part, but this will be a this will be a this is number 4 keyword, right? Then we can see this will be a problem cloudy, right? This will be a problem, and this will be a water quality. So you can see that this water quality, let's say number 2. This is number 2. So this is not clickable on the menu, but I will write a blog post to explain why the water is cloudy, and then I will make links to these water quality pages. It is the second navigation pages. So this is my thinking. There will be a lot of in the keyword tree design. You have to think about the link, not only the keywords but also the link, and you link to the pages, and there will be also I will link to other pages, like how to deal with the cloudy issue. So there will be a link to the product pages, right? Then you promote your products and tell them you use this product to like make the water clear, and maybe the second product will be like a filter or maybe a pump, a higher power pump, right? Something like this. So then you can see, all right, the full navigation page will be like this one, and then this kind of pages will be based on these keywords. Like the homepage will be based on the freshwater aquarium. Then I mentioned about inspiration, mentioned about products, and mentioned about problems. And I will like here. I mentioned here there will be mentioned the first part will be mention other people, other people cares like I'm not only I mentioned about I will do beyond the fish and like I will introduce people to have crab or have shrimp to the fish tank. It's not about freshwater fish keeping website. There will be other hobbies that will be covering more. So that's why I locate this aquarium, freshwater aquarium, and it's not about freshwater fish keeping, something like this, because I want to do a bigger keyword. I mean, bigger is like your topic is talking about the whole thing, the like a crabs for freshwater aquarium. If I only mention about the fish, then will be a smaller niche, smaller topic. If you can understand, right? In this way, so this website is totally different. If I am going to do a website that like saying the freshwater aquarium fishing or fish keeping, something like this, and the topic will be the freshwater aquarium fish decoration, fishing decoration, something like that. And then there will be freshwater aquarium fish keeping supply. Then everything will be changed, right? You need to understand. And for the many people, I think most people subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my maybe they visit my like my website aicontenthacker.com. They are going to learn from here to use some tools like the WordHero AI to generate content, and then use the Simulate Content Pro and the Labraker to optimize their website content. This is a small investment to do a blogging, to do a affiliating business, so we can make money. So I think of in this way. So I will help them with my true experience and true advice, and they can copy my method, so they can do their own interested niches, so they can make money. This is what I am going to do. And so in this way, I take my time to talk about the experience and the lessons I have learned. So when people lately people discuss with me something like they are doing a new niche, like let's say education niche. That's quite a big niche. You can do it in a very different way. So in China, a lot of people are building websites or building media, like building a channel, like building a TikTok. We don't use TikTok in China. We use is a Chinese version like Douyin. Like if you can know that the Douyin, the company developed Douyin and they also developed TikTok. So that they are actually quite the same products. That's just a video app, right? So people are going to promote some books, some courses, something like that, so they can have the money. And when they use this kind of channels like this kind of medias, they are actually doing localization for those products, for those people they are targeting. So when my friend showed me the websites, I can see only a few blogs introduce some tips on how to choose a school, like how to finish your career, how to do a plan for the uh, university study, like choosing a professional professors, something like that. So I am confused because there should be a category, like there should be a menu, something like a product, something like if you want to introduce a lot of people to go somewhere, like in a certain location, like in a province, in a country, what schools, what universities should be entering? Like in China, people uh, are going to like I am going to study in my hometown, like the province in the southern China, like Guangxi province. So I will introduce how many universities are in this location. Then I will make a list, and so this is a classification. Then I finish one my hometown province, and then I moved on to the next. Then there will be another province listing. So there should be a lot of listing for this kind of information. So you can have a classification of location listing, right? Then you have dividing divided category like university introduction, a list of universities. And then if you want to like postgraduate, like you want to be a master of something like after your BA, and then there will be a master class choice for you in some kind of university you can choose. Like I want to be a master of math, so there will be a unlimited choices for me. Like I should go to the bigger university. They have a math master degree. So if I go to the smaller university, they might not have this kind of resource or the professors to teach me. So there will be a limited, like you want to go for a profession. Uh, so there will be another list, right? Then you should have this kind. Let me see. This kind of, in my view, this will be a product, right? To me, this is will be a product pages similar to my product pages. So when people are going to learn you how to choose a university, something like how to choose a profession, so there will be like inspiration. So you should have that, and then there will be another thing. So how can you fix your problems? Like if you are going to transfer to another school to learn, or maybe when you want to, like me, I like 10 years, like in 2007, when I want to have my university picking, like I wanted to join a university, then they have a choice. Like you, when you in the second years of the learning. So I have a chance go to Vietnam, so I can be an international student to Vietnam University. We have a transferring project for the students. So I actually didn't take part in that, but that was my fault when I choose my university, right? That one was the choice. That was a potential option for me. So I love that. So I joined that university. Yeah. Then you can see I have a problem in that because I didn't uh, have any Vietnam language learning. So I had to prepare for that. So I had foreseen that problem, so I learned it, but I didn't part it because I want to uh, take another example like a TMA for English learning, and then I will be doing some work in China. Some that anyway that's the problems. So I want to if some kind of this niche, some kind of this websites, I will expect that people can tell me two ways. One is you pick this like transferring choices. What should you do? And the second point is if you don't pick this choice, you don't go to Vietnam. So I think people should teach me. So what will be the next move? Yeah, that's the problems. Then I think this website is a very good example for people to build a website because the first part you will see the inspirations. So people tell people how to choose, how to make a choice, right? And the second will be there will be put it out. There will be something to use to fix their problem and to lead them to a problem solving articles or pages, something like that. And the third one there will be our troubleshooting listed, so they can have their problem solved here, and then you can mark down the most important part in the first page, and divide a smaller part in the second layer, right? This is the idea for me, and even some pages you can hidden in some clickable, like this one. This uh, can be another pages, but you don't need to show on the navigation. But people click and you can lead them to pages or posts, something like that. But here in the page, on the page you will see just a button, right? Then you don't need a lot of pages on manual to make people confused. But people can also on these pages they can read more. Like you are hiding 6,000 words article here, and people click and they can see that they have their answers in the article. Like that's the strategy. And when people are building like this one, then you can see this is a very easy to learn keyword. Here we can see like cloudy. Yeah, 40 searches per month, and then the SEO difficulty will be only 9. And then let's see the search results. Yeah, like we can see who is ranking for these keywords and what will be the so Peckle.com is a very big company, so they will be have like 12 estimated visitors, right? Like each month they have let's say each month they have 12 people visiting their pages. So and they have 2 social shares, and there are domain authorities, like domain authorities, something like you build a lot of links, and you have a lot of content, then this part will raise. And this part maybe over 50, there will be a very difficult to rank. So now we can see that's a domain authority of 30. 30 is considered like a 35 will be under 35 will be easy for us. So most of them like 35, 33, 39, 32, 34, 20. Even a 22 domain authority can do a link can rank for this website. So maybe there should be a chance. Like let's see this content. And let's check out this one, the first number one. The number one is about the yeah. We can write something to compete with this one. Yeah, to compete this one. So this should be like education and comparison. Equals animal care. Yeah. So this is like a page. Then it's easy to compute, right? You don't need to a lot of content. It's not a very big content. So you can see the embedding products here. And here there's another tap water container. So you should like writing an article to compete with the first one. And the second one will be like this one. Oh no. This like this DA22. DA22 are using this kind of content. Also, we can use AI to write something like this one, right? And also copy like this one is not a big problem. So what they are lack of? So they don't have videos, and they don't have a lot of pictures, and they don't have a lot of separated topics, like subtopics, talk about why this is happening, what tanks, like a 20-gallon tanks, huge tanks. So like a smaller tank, you use a smaller like here brown and green discoloration algae blooms in fish tanks. When you want to compete with these issues, you need to recommend the successful product. You need to learn more about this one, like how many this product conditioner, water conditioner you need to use for this kind of tank, a small tank like a 20-gallon tank, like a 100-gallon tank. And You write more about the details, write more about the information, and people would search when my tank like 100 gallon fish tank get cloudy. So what should I do? And then the AI will generate more details, and we can put more content, more details to compete with the first one. And then if it is only like two 200 2000, or maybe this would be like a 1500. This should be a, let's see, let's check it out. Right, this is not counting. Okay, not counting for this one. Not copy. This would be no, like Hemingway. So this is only nine, almost 900, 900, less than 1000, right? So they have 11 sentences are very difficult to read. We need to improve this part. And then they are grade A. We can do grade 6, something like that. And it's easy to do because when you like you separate the sentence and, separate a lot of sentence. And then just make an example. So when you deal with this sentence, then grade will be dropped down to from good to great. You can see that. Uh, like, yeah, grade A, right? You can see that. Um, yeah. Go for the grade 7. I think that there will be a grade 7. Grade 7 will be easier fast. So the yellow part, if you're going to import the yellow part, then at some point you can get grade 7. Yeah, this is the way you have improved the readability. If you improve, then there should be more people. Like you only take grade 7 education, so you can read this article very easy. If you take a readability like only grade 9, so there will be a potential problem. Like people have lower education level, they might not understand you quite a lot. They will feel that, oh, this article is really difficult to read. So I jump out. I don't want to read it. I go for another search. So like I go to this search. I think this article is easier to read. So they move here and read a lot of content and stay a longer time. Then this page will be ranked higher because the Google will take the data and relearn the content, because people will, you know, people will like more of this content when this content are easier to read. So Google will respect this. So this will eventually here can be here. So now we can see this will be the number 9. It can be number 1 if they are doing a really good um, reading experience for the user experience part. All right. If we said we are going to add more content and more details for this one. So why the fish tank cloudy? So maybe we can make this one more clear, more outer link, we can see some examples, and then for the problem solve part, we can use a video to explain, to show people how to solve the in the first day it's cloudy, and the second day is not that cloudy, and the first day, second day the problem solved, and the fish is happy. Okay, something like that. Yeah, this will be my strategy and my keywords, my content to be written. Something like this. And then I made links to these water quality pages, maybe a link to the product pages. So you can see that's how the website is built. Okay, and then how they are linked together linked together like this one. This is a link. You know, this is another link. So they're linked together. But I don't think that this like the prevention and wellness solutions. This same idea for this one. So they are not mentioning another like me. So I would do a link like in this page. In this page, I will mention about other issues or bigger issues like how to contain your how to control your water quality. So I will link back to a bigger pages like this one, so that people can uh, have more information about similar problems, so they stay longer on my website. This is my strategy, but I do see here they are doing the same thing, right? Maybe I think here they are only introduce how to deal with the problem, so they only introduce some products. So I think I can learn from them, because you know that in this part, tap water conditioner and the product is here when people are going to use it, and at the last part they also with the list for the with the pictures. Okay, I love this kind of strategy. So they mention in their products twice, and there are also other articles. So maybe this is their pages link. So this will be good. So maybe I should think about. So they are yes. This must be a bigger pictures. This must be a big page. So I was wrong. maybe this kind of linking, they are linking back to the pages, so they're actually doing my thing. My thing is like this page will be this post will be the non-navigated pages, right? Then I will link to I think I will link to these pages. This will be a navigation pages. So they actually link here. Maybe I was wrong for this one. So they can when I want to set up a freshwater aquarium like this one, so I will click here and nitrogen cycle like cycling the water, so like cycling the fish tank. So that will be like here. So I think their strategies also covering embedding the bigger page on this page. So I think this will be the same content, same strategy, but I would like use a picture to click. Maybe not this kind of content, but this is also very good because people can actually read this, and Google can also index this kind of text for these same pages. So maybe I should learn from them, like using this kind of forms, the test forms, to introduce people to read another articles, or the like this page will be a subtopic. So this will be a topic, a big topic. This maybe let's say this is a subtopic, like the second layer. This the third layer, and this will be the second layer, and the first layer will be the home page, or maybe the navigation page. This is the first layer, something like that. So let's see, and in this kind of contents, we can do a conversion. So the home page is this kind of let's see the keyword tree root, right? And then the second will be add more things, but it doesn't mean absolutely mean that this kind of keywords have more search volumes than this kind. Like like let's see the fish. Let me show you. So we go back to where it was. Like this one. So it's 9,900. That's quite the aquarium like this one. Freshwater aquarium fish is have a lot more traffic than the homepage. Logically, you should put this freshwater aquarium as the homepage, and these pages will be a subtopic. I mean, my idea is like this one, but people, maybe other people will have a different opinion. I think this it should be okay. It should be okay. Then people are going to promote their fish tank with their similar business, or maybe the same business, like using this one as their homepage, Like they only introduce the fish. It's also a lot of fish to talk about. A lot of subtopic can be discussed. But in this way, I want to in this website in my plan. So I want to just pick this one, follow a rule that this one is A. So the first water A plus some like A plus 1 and A plus 2, A plus 3, something like this part, like this kind of problems. So this arrangement is quite the same. So people can think about based on what I introduce and arrange the keywords and their structure, right? The link structure. They're building their link. They introduce their products, so they link together, and they have some kind of products, kind similar content like a products. Not only just blogs. If you don't have pages to organize your structure, if your blog like your whole website is depending on a blog, but you don't have some kind of pages, some kind of clickable pages to list out your big picture, there will be a mess. There will be people like, okay, I can see one product, and then if your listing like a page that you only show your newest products, then there will be no other interest to read more. Then people will think, okay, I finished my reading. Okay, I search another topic, maybe and take next move. If you don't lead them to a big pages, lead them to a different resource you introduce, they will left. They will leave. Then and you cannot help them with more topic, with more blogs. So that will be a problem. So this is what I am thinking about the keyword tree, and I will build this website based on this kind of keyword tree and update them. And maybe in the future I will show you how I read the articles, something like this one, and how I am going to compete with them and how I got ranked. And for the smaller, like for the low search volume, low SEO difficulty keywords, and then I rank higher than big company and big authority websites, right? So um, this is it. So when you asked about me what tools I use for my website, maybe you would suggest is one of them. So I have my current plan will be this one. So this is simple. No, I this lifetime individual plan. Right? I have purchased this one. And for the AI writing, I use WordHero. Right? Okay. Then I use the Similar Content Pro to improve my content. Like I have shown you some in my YouTube. You can click here, then you can see.
Today, I am going to test 3 different AI writers.
You can subscribe to this kind of content. And I also use this free web page to edit to improve my content, like the readability. Like I want more people can read my content easily because I am not an English speaker, right? So I want my content to be easier understood. And for the rubric, because I use them to check some kind of keywords because I think this one is good. But this one I also have like a content optimization law, like I already written. I already write about this kind of content, something the tools. I have reviewed my tools here. So you can exactly learn everything I am doing, and you can visit this website and learn everything about my blogs. And how many money I've made recently? I have made like 600 US dollars for my blogging since April. You can see this only 4 months. 4 months. I didn't do a full-time blogging. I only take some part, some like write about 30 blogs, and like take 20 videos, something like that, to make money. So it's not a big investment, just practice. And I am also a beginner, so maybe it's not a big deal for you to start with simple tools and some simple strategy. And in the future, we can also uh, see some examples how I am going to update like this kind of content and how I am going to build a page like this kind of pages. And I will explain a video, maybe a very long video like this one. Uh, uh, I know that I speak a lot of words. That's not focusing on what what I was planning to say, because I have to think about it and then I say what I am feeling about and what I think of the problems. Okay, thank you. So today we are making a point for this kind of keywords. So then let's say next time we will have some talk about this kind of keyword choosing, like maybe we use other people's theory like KGR and KEI, something like that. So to decide this is whether this society is our best pick, maybe another keyword, something like that. Not only depend on this kind of depend on this kind of tools like this. This is the research keyword research tools. If they are telling me this is easy, all the other people can see, oh yeah, this is easy, so I write about it. So many people are depending on that. So what should we think about, and what will be the easy way? What will be the most effective way to learn? Like I 90% sure my keyword, my content, then when I publish after 24 hours, like or 1 day or 2 days, something like that, then it will get ranked. I want to study on the keyword golden ratio. It was by Doc Cunningham. So let's talk about this in the next video. Thank you.